Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. It became known about the dangers of carrots for human health. For many national cuisines, carrots are one of the key products and are widely used in daily food. But not so long ago, one of the Chinese users stirred up the WeChat network with an unexpected message from EO about the previously unknown dangers of such a product. The author of such a resonant publication categorically does not advise adding carrots to your diet along with hot peppers. This is due to the fact that the components that make up carrots easily destroy vitamin C, which is an integral part of hot peppers. He suggested the same reason for excluding the combination of carrots and tomatoes from the diet. You should not use it, as well as with dates, as this will contribute to the destruction of ascorbic acid, which will make the benefits of these products zero. He hid another unpleasant surprise for those who like to gnaw several pieces of carrots a day. The author claims that it is enough to use it, but only 2-3 times a week. This is due to the fact that fresh carrots are filled with a large amount of fat-soluble vitamins, and that is why it is very difficult for organisms to digest an excessive amount of such a product. But it is important to understand that such a reaction will only occur if you eat raw carrots. It is best to use this vegetable in a slightly boiled form, sour cream or vegetable oil, because otherwise the product will not bring any practical benefit to your body. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.